All right, welcome back. Thanks for joining us on this Tuesday afternoon. Steady rain continues to fall around the area, 50 degrees, the average high 66, and you can really see where some of the rain-cooled air is in the 40s and the 50s, western, southwestern Montana. Got some sunshine, temperatures in the 70s in eastern Montana. Snow in the mountains, no weather alerts for the mountains around Helena, but if you go high enough up into the Elkhorn, it's probably picking up a foot or two. And there may be a foot or two for the Crazies through the Beartooths as we go through the next 24 to 36 hours, and also some snow, including Monida Pass, if anybody's heading down I-15. There's the rain, and notice how it's mainly in the western half of the state. A rainy night, a rainy day. We've got rain, we've got snow, we've got some solid rain. I-15 coming south, heading up over the Continental Divide. That would be Mount Belmont right there. So up on top of Great Divide, we got a little snow. The Boulder Mountains up there above Park Lake, some snow. The Elkhorns getting some good snow and some good rain. Canyon Ferry through Townsend, and all this wet weather from Missoula all the way down through Butte, America to Bozeman and Toston, part of a big slow-moving storm system that will stick around for a couple of more days. It's a big storm on the East Coast too, and if you watched yesterday, we almost had the same thing. Big storm on the East Coast, not much in the center part of the country. Big storm in the West. This is called an Omega block, where you have slow-moving storms not really going anywhere too fast. So, more rain as we go through the rest of this evening. Heavy rain down there around Billings and Big Timber, but look at this tomorrow morning. North of Helena, not that much, but Helena and Point South, Townsend, Boulder, another soaking rain through most of the morning into the afternoon, and then some heavier showers through the afternoon. Look, a lot of the state dealing with some wet weather here tomorrow, even eastern Montana. And then heading into Thursday, I'm not going to like this, but more rain coming through across most of the area with some snow in the higher elevations. Very wet pattern. I showed you this before, but a significant amount of precipitation, rain and higher elevation snow. And then there's more as we go through early next week. Talking inches of rain in the lower elevations and feet of snow in some of the mountains. Tonight, more rain, pretty high snow levels, generally maybe mountain pass level and above. Tomorrow, it's going to be another stormy, coolish day with rain, maybe an outside chance of a thunderstorm. Thursday, more wet weather. Rain in the eastern part of the state. Friday, still some green on the map. It's more showery on Friday. Tomorrow, solid rain. Thursday, pretty much solid rain. And Friday, it's more showery. And then into the weekend, still a little green on the map. Saturday is probably the nicer out of the 2 weekend days, because Sunday, another big soaking rainstorm developing with lowering snow levels Sunday night. Certainly some snow in the mountains, and the storm continues.